Okay, I'm going to be making a octopus orb today. I'm going to stick an octopus on top of a small orb of glass. I've got the octopus already made right in here. Yeah, it's just sitting. I've got it sitting at 900 degrees because I ate lunch, so I'm going to heat it up to 1050. Okay, so now it's going to heat up to 1050, and that's a good, safe temperature to pull this octopus out, stick it on the orb. All right, so I pulled the octopus orb out of the oven, and I like it a lot. When I first made one of these, I stuck the octopus on and realized it was going to be really tippy, so I balanced it with a star, and it also looks cool. So I just need to polish that little punty off, and it'll be all ready to send down to By the Bay Gallery in Morro Bay if you're ever in the area. Yeah. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm John Gibbons. Have a great day.